The thruster is a compound exercise that combines the front squat with an overhead press. You can do thrusters with a barbell, kettlebells, or dumbbells. It's a full body movement that targets the deltoids, quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Start with a shoulder width stance with your toes pointed slightly outwards, just like you would stand to perform a squat. Hold the bar with a shoulder width pronated overhand grip, squat down to a comfortable depth, then drive the bar overhead. As you lower the bar, begin squatting to start the next rep. The more reps you perform, the more taxing the exercise becomes. Get into a good breathing rhythm by exhaling as you drive the bar upward and inhaling as you squat down. Kettlebell thrusters are another great option for this exercise. Start by cleaning a pair of kettlebells to the front rack position. Then perform the same cycle of squatting and pressing. You can also do kettlebell thrusters with a single kettlebell. Hold your opposite hand at chest level, or stick it out to the side for extra balance. Thrusters are one of my favorite exercises for athletes for the same reason many strength coaches use power cleans in their programming. Thrusters mimic movements used in a variety of sports. Think jumping up to rebound a basketball or to spike a volleyball. They also translate well to rock climbing, surfing, and other adventure sports that require intermittent bouts of explosive full body movement. With thrusters, you really can't go wrong. Last up is the dumbbell thruster. For this variation, you can either use a neutral grip, where your palms are facing each other, or you can use a pronated grip, where your palms are facing away from you. Thrusters are not only great for athletes, but also busy people. A lot of people my age have their hands full with young kids, or they're working demanding jobs with long commutes. That means less time for working out, and big compound movements like the thruster are perfect for busy people. It only takes a few sets of 5 to 10 reps with a moderate load to feel completely gassed from this exercise, and you targeted multiple muscle groups in the process, saving the time of targeting those muscle groups individually. Give thrusters a try and let me know how you like them in the comments. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.